Alright, we have the right way of putting the holes in the vinyl tube, and this was originally designed for the original manifold, the separate manifold, but can be adapted. Two of these induction drills at about a 30-degree opposed angle, put 2 holes every inch and a half approximately. You want the holes to be as tiny as possible. Just simply poking holes with a pin is not a good idea because it cracks the vinyl tube, and it's not gonna put a hole in it. It'll put a crack in it, and the crack will expand over time. You want the greatest aeroponic aspect you can get, and for that to happen, you need the holes to be as tiny as possible. This is an induction drill, basically. It's a coil of wire wrapped around a needle. You apply enough AC amperage, voltage, you can vaporize that needle in a blinding flash of light. Basically, you take a needle, weld a couple of little dots on it, and weld a little heat sink at the end of it. All made out of steel, 1 3/8 inch. The dimension I have on this one. That heat sink is there so you can blast compressed air onto it to cool the needle down. Take a couple of little balls of clay, form something similar to that shape. Make a number of these because you're probably going to break one every once in a while, and they're cheap enough, so you're going to want some spares. Fire it in a kiln. When it's done, take it out, wrap the induction coil around it, enameled or insulated wire. Put it in a frame of some sort and clamp it down. Now with this, you want to aim a laser thermometer at the tip of the needle and get it to where it'll get up to about 280 degrees in about 1.5 to 2 seconds. Bring up the voltage and the amperage slowly until you get it right. And basically, you slide it into the vinyl tube until it pierces the interior of the tubing, approximately 1/16 of an inch, and we'll pull it back just a little bit, about a 32nd of an inch. Turn off the induction coil, blast compressed air on the heatsink. You should be able to adapt this easily enough to the new design and drill it while the tubing is on the manifold.